Good morning, Lepakshi. And yes, India is in the grip of severe heat wave this time. Generally, India faces heat conditions during the month of May and June. But this time, believe me, it's quite brutal for everyone around. And the temperature is soaring as high as 45 degrees Celsius in southern part of India when it comes to states like Telangana, Andhra, Orissa, Karnataka, and specifically Kerala. Extreme weather conditions are visible there. And it is creating a discomfort, especially for the commuters traveling by road. And due to this severe heat condition, not just the travelers, but roadways, the railways have also been affected in a way. And power outages have also been reported in several parts of India. So, through all this extreme heat conditions, heat wave conditions, entirely the nation is affected in some or the other way. And yes, with yesterday's press briefing of IMG, IMG has specifically given zones to different states, well as the southern and eastern part, which is facing the extreme heat condition, have been given as red zones. Then the other states have been assigned as orange zone, which are facing the extreme heat conditions. And to tell you here, when we talk about the extreme weather conditions, so the northern part of India, the Himalayan range, is having snowfall and rainfall at the same time, where the southern part of India is seeing extreme heat wave. And when we talk about the next 5 days, it has been declared that it's going to be extreme heat in eastern part of India as well. But at the same time, when we talk about the northeastern part of India, where Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, so in later part of the month, it is visible that there's prediction to by IMD that there will be hailstorms, gusty winds, and rainfall as well for the northeast India.
All
So
right.
these are the highlights of yesterday's press briefing of India Meteorological Department to make
All right.
Indians aware about the extreme weather conditions.
Right. Also, Kriti, as the third phase of elections around the corner, has IMD issued any advisories?
So when it comes to the elections and third phase polling, Lepakshi, IMG has been again and again repeatedly in their weekly briefing, they've been telling us that according to the states which are facing polls, special advisories are repeatedly as monthly, as weekly, and as day forecasts are being issued to the areas, keeping in mind the comfort of the voters who are coming to vote. So all this is being planned by IMG in coordination with the ECI. So that's
All right.
how they are planning for the polls as well.
All right. Thank you so much, Kriti, for this update.